Let's hear this one called We Pray. The big sound out of Manchester. Here is Holmwood Technical.
Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now.
Some cry, some smile, some fight every day.
But we rise to the top, 'cause we know what it takes. Through it all we survive, yet still hold the faith.
Unchangeable, Lord, unchangeable.
Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up. Ain't giving up now.
No matter how the dollars might stack up, we still not change. We are gonna still rough. In the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace. Be smart, don't be a gruff, no.
Life is a journey, it's a long race. Mama says son be wise and don't bring disgrace. So we step up the room and start sweep the place. 'Cause all these ways they got to get erased. I love to the people that we embrace. The truth and the truth and that can't erase. So hail to all of those who are hate. Just say we can finish this race. Ain't
So we
giving up.
ain't giving up now.
Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up.
Got to be ready.
Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving
Just
up.
say don't you worry.
Ain't giving up now. Ain't giving up.
Got to be ready.
Ain't giving up now. So we pray, 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 we pray.
Holmwood, you entered a few years ago and we gave you some tips. It's obvious that you did your homework. You have improved a lot. I remember your director. Big sound, big time performance. Be careful not to shout too much. There's a difference between singing loud and shouting. When you finally got to the soft passage, I got excited. I was like, wow, finally. You know, variety is very important on this show.
If you're singing about something exciting, you can go down really soft and bring up an impact, especially for the fact that you repeat a lot of the lines. You could go down very soft, and because, like Dennis said, when we reached to that little part there, it was so refreshing to hear that you could go down, and it sounds so sweet. We have to be careful, ladies, when the men are singing. When they were singing, the ladies were singing so loudly that we couldn't hear what they were saying, and they were the main part. So just watch for those. But it was a delightful performance, and the song is a lovely song.
If somebody has a melody and you're singing in harmony, you can't hear the melody too loud, right? So always listen for the melody so you can hear the melody and you support the melody with what you're singing around it. I like the arrangement, and I'm hoping to hear more from you guys.
Yes, definitely.
Well, if that one moved you, then show Holmwood your approval by calling or texting 444-8808.